So my viewers and sub, big super up on the road. I make a walk in the community of Dumfries, and was in reliable informed that a truck overturned. So I'm gonna make a walk, my viewers and sub, to see exactly what really happened. It's a Friday morning. Yeah, you don't know. I look on the clock, 10:39, 17th of March. The viewers and sub. Traffic a move slow. Work a go on the road. So we are going to find out what really a hold up the traffic this morning. The viewers and sub. So we don't know. Yeah. Bless up. Every time. Alright, bless up.
Yeah,
Bless
man.
up yourself.
Straight out of New York with them on it.
Alright, big up.
Yeah.
Every time.
45, YouTube. For keeps we out there.
Alright. Some viewers, some of my subscribers, them deaf on the road. Them say them watch my channel straight. Yeah. Them say them watch my channel straight, my viewers and sub. Big super. So we don't know where I'm going, but we was reliable informed that a vehicle either stuck or turned over. So we don't know where I walk, the traffic move slow, so it's obvious that something really take place on the road there. We come out of the vehicle where we did the dinner and we do the walk this morning. Yeah. We are doing the walk, people, so walk with me. Pick up the truck driver. Walk with me. Wow, traffic can move again. Them have a corner right up when you pass Black Door. Them have a corner up the people where the corner there. I want very, very tedious corner. And it's if when rain fall, the soil around there always soft. Yeah. And most of the time it's heavy unit them. When the rain fall, them go down, go stuck. So we're up on the ground and we have made the walk this morning in the direction where the incident took place. We see all police on the spot. Big up. We see all police on the spot. Direct traffic. So it's obvious that something take place on the ground. Big super up on the ground with him camera. I do the walk this morning. And we have look where I go on and carry to the people. Yeah, we're going to look what really take place and carry to the viewers. Yeah, man. So, plus work I go on the road. The road soft because we get a look of rain, you know, St.Thomas. When them get a look of rain, you know where it go. Place get soft out and things. Yeah, we're up on the road and we are make the walk in the direction and Morant Bay. Yeah, real morning. Blessings. Peace officers out in the road there. Yeah. So one lady, I sell her soup there. Big up the soup lady. My viewers and sub. What go on? Talk to me. What go on around the road there? Yeah. What go on? What kind of chaos?
traffic can work.
Traffic can work?
Yeah.
No vehicle not stuck around there?
No.
Alright, now go check how I go and I make sure. Alright. Go over there up on the road and thing and we don't know. Me not see no vehicle. Me not see no vehicle stuck around here. More than the place just block up. The place just block up and see if the viewers and so. But me don't know. As me continue the walk, I come around Falcon Crest. Yeah? I come around Falcon Crest. Yeah, my viewers and so. It's super. I come around Falcon Crest, we're then at the middle road. Yeah, we are make the walk. I walk going up there, some of the traffic jam. Alright, that's nothing. Yeah? Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, my viewers and sub. So, we are make the walk. Your girl about out birthday and all these things. Big super up on the road this morning I walk. Yeah. Cause traffic a move slow. Work a go on. Improvement work a go on the road, people. So you know it go when the improvement work a go on traffic. Blessings, officer, blessings. Work a move slow and thing. So the officer them there direct the traffic and I make things move speedily. The work people them a work on the underground. Them a work on the underground thing out there. So it kinda one way for the traffic this morning. So far, me not see no vehicle overturn and all these things there. Me not see no vehicle overturn if you have more than work are going on the road. And because work are going on the road, it slow up the traffic back and forth from Marandale to head in the direction of Dumfries. So that's basically what I go on in the morning. Yeah. So, the viewers and sub, we're up on the road and we are there right about it and we don't see no vehicle. We don't see no vehicle overturn. Bless up. We don't see no vehicle overturn out there. As well as it might overturn, you know. Blessings, one love.
I watched your video yesterday. You come on, I'm in town yesterday.
I lie, where your town name?
At Trinity, man.
Alright, bless you. Where the name?
Mark, Long John, otherwise.
Alright, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. See you, man.
Alright. Some of viewers and sub. The man said I come in place yesterday. Trinityville. So we're up on the road, my viewers. And me not see where no vehicle overturn. So it look like say adjust the work we are going. But where the John know you do so far, my brother.
Yeah, man, we over some.
Alright, peace and love here. Alright. Some viewers and stuff, one of my old party that I see a driver pass through the community. So me up on the ground, people, and Friday, the Friday, yeah, I do the regular traffic jam because hello.
Police they need to leave St. Thomas and lower youths them alone.
We love the progress of the road now.
You love the progress?
Yeah.
Alright, big up.
Yeah, but police
Yeah. Some viewers and sub. No vehicle not overturn. False alarm. And just the work agency people them. I work on the pipe. Them I work on the pipe underground. Because them they in the corner of Falcon Crest. And them have two digging up. 2 years dig up. So because bless up. Because them have 2 years dig up. You find say it's kind of difficult to come through the bend. Because it's like a S corner after you pass Butty and head to Black Door. So I really that cause the traffic jam, people. And people are calling me and tell me it's a big super truck turnover. But if I truck the turnover, would I see it? Or maybe turn over and then take it up and move it and gone with it. Don't it? Because that can happen to you, know. It can turn over and then quick we can lift it up. So I don't think no truck turn over. I just think say I just a regular traffic jam because them a work on the pipe. Them a work on the pipeline. So, my viewers and stuff, thank you for following me all the way from Prospect, come all the way down to Dumfries. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to turn on the post notification bell. Also remember to watch out my ads. Yeah, and remember to donate, people. Hello, 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 hello. Continue donate. Big up, big up, big up, big up. So continue donate to my channel, people, and make my channel grow. For now, big super and another great walk. Yeah, I wouldn't say false alarm, but another walk in St. Thomas. Peace out.